Tatanggalin mo lang yung balat niyan. Ang tawag po dyan ay Japanese knotwood. Asim.
Yeah.
Ang asim. Kan? Siyang nawes, parang mangga.
Hello everybody! For today's video, it's another Palengke series.
Kongresista siya, oh. Congressman siya. Hay, sabi ko, simplihan mo lang yung damit mo, pero lalaban siya. Hindi siya magpapaapi.
Welcome to the vibrant streets of Chitrala Market. Simula pa lang, we already met a lot of friendly Chitlari locals.
Hi! 150?
It's more than just a market. It's a place full of stories.
What's your name?
Namutin.
Minumuro niya ako, ina mo din? Akala niya joke lang. It's true. In my language is bad.
And surprises waiting around every
May
corner.
pinasukan akong sulok, biglang ang laki pala nito.
Kaya naman tara, mamalengke tayo.
Dami na kami nabibili, alam niyo ba? Nalibang na kami kakapamili.
This is Kate Reto from Pakistan. Let's go, let's do it.
Everybody, it is Kate Reto here. So this is the karugtong of my vlog from Buni. We are back here in Lower Chitral with Sean. Of course, still with Sean. So naglalakad-lakad lang kami ni Sean here in Chitral. Titingin ako ng kung ano lang makita ko dito. Gusto daw mag-hi ni tatay. Oh, you say hi, hello. Assalamualaikum. How are you? Good. Okay. Bye. Uso dito yan, yung i-approach lang nila kayo. I-video mo ako. Video na lang sila. Ganda kaya yun. Ang cute-cute kaya ng mga ganun. Hindi sila camera shy. Oh, again, everybody, this is the karugtong of my private life. So, yung i-expect na lalandiin ko si Sean nung lalandiin, hindi. Ito yung normal namin ni Sean. Pag magkasama kami, nagpo-phone lang siya, naglalakad lang ako. Tapos, kain tayo, ganun. Kasi nga, this is, private life. Ito yung kalmado kong era. So, kalmado lang din ako.
Where?
What, where? May adapter, you broke.
Yeah. I broke?
Yes, last
What?
night. Why?
Come na, then I'm see you. Yeah. Then you seen I'm not broke.
Nasira mo. Nasira mo.
You not.
Ay, nako, Sean. Tantanan mo ako. Tumabi ka, Sean. Nagsasakyan. See, Sean, ang dami magagandang shades dito, oh. Oh. This is more beautiful than what you have. Oh, too much.
Other hat?
This, no?
Come na, sa hat.
Will you check?
Yeah.
Check mo. Mas maganda pa nga ito, eh. Ay, nakakatawa naman si Sean.
Nice, no?
No.
Too much bad, no?
Too much bad daw. Hindi maganda. Hindi naman pangit, pero hindi rin naman maganda. Bilhin ko sana tong round kasi hindi na maganda kasi. Salam, how are you? Ang gwapo na nagtitinda dito, grabe. Can I put it here? You don't like? Huwag kang babagsak, huwag kang babagsak, huwag kang babagsak. Ay, parang maganda to. Kit na this one. The good price, ha? Ha? 150? Okay, I will buy it. Chat, pakita ka dito, kuya. Oh. Hi! 150? Oh, bilhin na natin yan. One. Trip lang. Ang gwapo talaga nung nagtitinda ng gulay. Shan, it's good to me, right? Look. Shana.
Yeah. Manage your face.
Nag-match daw sa mukha ko. Alam niyo yan. Isa pa.
Manage your face.
It's good.
But color is changed.
No, I like black.
Yeah?
Daydream that I feel. This one.
ये कितने का है?
Exo Pachas nga. Opak. Good to me, kuya? Sure? Good daw. Suotin ko na to.
Look your side.
Parang broken na siya. Wait lang. Wait lang, wait lang. Shoota, baka bagsakan tayo niya. Ano ba yan? May mga karton-karton, mami. Bagsakan tayo. Ano ba yan? Basura? Shan? Ah, talaga naman. Bumili ulit ng shades. Talaga naman, Shan. Gwapo niya, no?
No.
There's no shirt here. I don't like the girl shirt. I like big shirt.
The inside is maybe
No. No, not your money. Parang wala akong makita. Parang mali yung nabili ko. Wala akong makita. Very wrong pala to. Sabi ko kayo siya, bili ako ng paa ng tatsik laway ko. Bili ako ng paa ng manok. Sabi niya, no. Kongresista siya, oh. Congressman! Congressman Sean! Hi!
I say na so.
Sabi ko
I then don't like is this.
Sabi ko, simplihan mo lang yung damit mo, pero lalaban siya. Hindi siya magpapaapi.
You say me na so I cook you like so I say no you know my mother is cooking so then I don't like this.
Ganito lang kami ni Sean, oh. Ganyan lang kami. Ito lang yung buhay ko, everybody, ha? Kaya kung naboboring kayo sa vlog na to, okay lang talaga. Kasi hindi ito yung vlog na vlog. eme lang tong vlog na to. Sinashare ko lang yung... Again, I'm sharing my life kapag hindi ako nagbablog, pero nagbablog pa rin. Hindi, para makita nyo lang yung ganap ko off-cam. That's what I mean. Siya na, oh. See?
Here's two. So which I asked na ye kitne ka? Here's 20. Huh?
The kid.
Yeah, he is
Pachas.
50. No, 100 rupees 10. Here, 100 rupees 5.
Okay.
This one is expensive.
Okay, shukriya. Because this is the market na.
Market, this is not right.
The kid,
He
they
wants
put-
right.
This is right price.
No.
See, oh. Bagong paborito ni Shan yan. Paborito niya yan. Ay, binibig. Try? Try mo daw, Shan.
Pehle gira aapko.
Bagong paborito niya yan. Kutong
First
bata,
try.
oh.
First try this, right?
No, I don't like na. You try. I don't want.
I tried. 50.
Pachas.
50 rupees.
50. Dinadaya mo ako, kuya. Sabi mo, 100. Dito, 50 lang. Ito yung bagong, ewan ko kay Shan, kung anong pinagkakain niya. Japanese nutwood tawag dyan. I think this one is more fresh, no, Shan? Good. Healthy. Ang tawag po dyan ay Japanese nutwood cameroot boom boom. I-search nyo na lang sa Google.
200 रुपए का हो गया ना 200 रुपए
200?
या 100
Okay, tingnan nyo.
Eh?
Tatanggalin mo lang yung balat niyan. Show me.
या
Oh,
I eat
you eat one. Para makita nyo kung paano kinakain to.
इस तरह खाते ना
What is this? Salt?
Salt, yeah.
Ay, may salt. May pa-salt naman pala.
Oila salt
Ay. Na-exposure ni Kuya. Oh. Kung gapo na nagtitinda, no?
shoot
Shoot. Good. Shan, look. Oh. Now it's more good. So, Shan kasi tinatanggalan yung balat. Kagat ng kagat.
what uses this one
Yeah. Now you know.
Milk is the first time na
Hi.
जबरदस्त
too much good
Zabazas.
जाम जोआलू क्षेत्राली जोआलू
Suwalu.
Shoot,
Go.
shoot. now you start to eat now so look what's it
Asim.
yeah
Hawakan mo. Ang asim.
wow you not eat this
No.
okay shukriya
Shukriya.
thank you
Saan? Siyang inamis, parang mangga.
I like it this one and test this
Wah.
what
No. Okay naman siya. Hindi ko lang, nasyak lang ako sa asin. Pero okay lasa niya.
you smile me na what this
Dito ka nga. Kumapit sa bibig ko yung lasa. Oh, everybody, this is just a continuation. Sabi ko na yata yan. Biyaan mo na nga. Mabuti, kuya, ikaw. Mabuti, kuya, ikaw. Narinig ko. Sabi ko sa inyo, mga Pakistan, nagtatagalog sila eh. Siya talaga mong ganda nun, no? Ganda. Nag-iikot-ikot lang kami sa mga market.
this one is nice
Which one?
here na inside
No, the one that I like is not there.
tell me this one I like
It's not the same, Shan. Diba? Akala nyo sweet-sweet kami all the time, ha? Hindi. Nag-aaway po kami. Kung inaakala ng sambayan ng Pilipinas, sweet-sweetan kami all the time. Ay, hindi po. Bardagulan din kami nito. Wala, Shan. Sandali lang. Alam niyo yung binili ko sa Peshawar na kettle, hindi ko siya nagamit. Sayang yung nabili ko sa Peshawar, hindi ko magana. Ay, gumagana, pero silicone, hindi pala maganda, promise. Ganda rin to. Why is this 3.5?
Imported.
From where?
This is Pakistani.
This is China.
This is China.
Pakistani is better.
Pakistani is no good.
Narinig yung sinabi. Hindi raw maganda.
not good
This is too much expensive for 3.5.
yeah
3,500
Buy?
discount for you.
No, expensive.
yeah buy you know
And then this one too?
1200
Yeah, 1,200. Why?
you like this one na so buy this one okay
Ito naman, maano, pala decision to. Maybe you become big this price because you know I will buy.
कहाँ का रहने वाले
To neither.
This only 2,000 eh. Kung 2,000 to, mahal to sa 3,500. Babalikan ko yun everybody pag wala ako ibang nahanap.
Hello everybody! Ready to explore the beauty of Pakistan? This fall, come experience Pakistan with us in its most magical season. And let's all make an unforgettable moments together. Join our autumn tour this 2026 with your hosts, Kay Toretto and Francis Candier. Batch 4 starts on October 29 and Batch 5 starts on November 12. Price starts at $699 USD for 6 days. Wow! From breathtaking landscapes to authentic village life, this is more than just a trip. It's a story that you will remember forever. Limited slots only. Are you ready to explore Pakistan like never before? Message now to reserve your spot.
Salam! Pili tayo ng pambahay. Emirates, fly, better. Gusto ko ba to? Ha? Which one? I like white. Mbappe. Yeah. No, I like big, kuya. Pangbahay lang, pantulog, ganoon. Kasi minsan ayoko mag-jacket, tapos parang tunal lang, simple lang, di ba? No, Winnie the Pooh. No, kuya, niloloko mo na ako. Pinag-Winnie the Pooh niya ako. Nilalaro ako ni kuya. Yes, I like.
Huh?
I like. Not now. When we have our own house. Ay. $100. Yeah, $100. We buy this for ayan, the small. This for ayan.
I don't like it. I like this.
The small one.
25.
Yeah, this is good na. This is good quality, no? Maganda to kay Ayan. Ipon ako siya, ibibili ko yung ganda. I will save money for Ayan. Not for you. For Ayan. Siya na. Magtanong ka dito. Ang gapa may naman.
हमें वो छोटा थर्मास चाहिए जिसमें चाय बनता है रोमेटिक बिजली से
Electric, not automatic.
0.5
Hello. How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. 0.5. They have? It's okay. They don't have. I'm traveling. Magtanong ka, makakahanap tayo. Sure ako. Everybody, so malapit na kami matapos mag-shopping ni Sean. Dami na kami nabibili, alam nyo ba? Nalibang na kami kakapamilya, hindi ko na na-record. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye. Super discount. Sean, napot mo to dyan. Lagay mo to dyan. Wait.
This one.
Here. Nagtitingin pa kami ni Sean ng mga, see, Sean, look. Okay, you ask how much? You ask how much? Dali. Yeah, you go. Tinitingnan namin ni Sean kung nadaya kami sa sombrero. Ang gwapo ng mga tao dito, no? Nakakapikon. Wala yung microphone.
Come the outside and then every shop is coming.
Ha?
Yeah. Let's go. And come.
Okay.
This one is my shop. You talk.
No need
I
na.
wait here, na. Yeah, you go. Come.
Si Sean. Nakita mo, may pa-script pa si Sean. Nakikita mo yung ginagawa niya sa akin. Papagudin ko lang sarili ko. Sundan na lang natin siya. Okay, go. Action! Oo.
Because this one item is like the cake.
Hoy, eto na. Ito yung favorite ko. #donut. Pero dito, walang langaw. How are you? Stiso, oh. Gwapo sila sa Chitral, no?
माशाल्लाह लोग बहुत अच्छे मुझे बहुत प्यारा लगे
O, 3. Topaktuni? Topaktuni? Nei. Chitrali.
ما تشتريني ما
Ah. Ah.
تعال بطول الزين
Hap.
عادشا
Pasyawan eh.
بشاور يوم
Ah. 4 piece. Ay, gawin na natin 5 para sa mga bagets pala sa bahay. Ang selfish ko naman pala.
You like na?
For the kids. Make it 7 for me.
Yeah, okay, yes.
7 ah. Ay, hindi to unhygienic. Ganito talaga dito. Kinakamay lang to. Hindi uso dito yung talagang minsan nga bibili, kakamayin pa nila yan eh. Nakaraan galing din ako dito. Kaso walang bago, hindi bagong gawa. Masarap lang to pag bagong gawa. Mga 1 hour up pag-ahon sa mantika. Okay.
No, this is shop talking this one. ना यार बार बजे तो जो
Hey.
छे में उस
سمرة
बार
خير بس ما ترى وهذا سوي
ए क्या कहने लगा
Accept.
हां
مرة
did not pay the fee did not pay the money
Sure? I will come back again tomorrow. Tingnan.
देखेंगे मैं फिर कल फिर आऊंगी इधर
Accept na. Sorry, sarap na sarap talaga ako dito. Nakakadalawang ganito ako. Tawang-tawa si Sean sa akin. Sabi niya, ba't bili ka ng bili niyan? Sarap kaya. Pag bagong gawa So, itatanong niyo kung bagong gawa. Hi! Mashallah! Good. What's your name?
स्माइल ना ना
Ismail, and you?
इनामुद्दीन
Ha?
इनामुद्दीन
Minumura niya ako, ina mo din? Minumura niya ako.
इनामुद्दीन
Ina mo din?
Yeah.
In my language?
what
Tama. In my language. Ina mo.
इनामुद्दीन
In my language. Akala niya joke lang. It's true. No. Yeah, ina mo.
yeah
In my language is bad.
मेरी जो इनामुद्दीन मतलब
Ina people will, wala.
this one is changed na
Okay. Just ina.
Ina yeah
Ina is okay. Ina mo no.
Ina no Ina means say na
Ah, ina. Ina mi.
Ami
What?
Nala, inam.
Inam.
Din
Inam mo din. No.
Din is not only Inam
Just inam. Selfie, inam mo din.
But
Saan you order?
I come
Yeah.
sure
Bye-bye.
bye bye too much I
Bye, inam.
name is this so which
Yeah, in my language. Like,
Yeah.
ina mo din. Ina mo din.
huh
Yes! Sure ako dyan, meron dyan.
good one na
Hi. Here, I know they have Choti's Coke. Choti. Yakni.
Tanda.
Tanda. Cool. Tinda. Pashto yakni. Dera yakni da. Ah, wow.
मौसम गरम
Yakni? Yakni? Okay. Shan, you want Pepsi? Ek Pepsi do.
no I don't two small coke is right
Shukriya. Alapes. So ayun, nag-iikot pa kami ni Sean. May nakita akong sulok, bigla akong pinasukan. Nakita na ko eh. Sean, ito oh. Tuloy ang pamimili namin ni Sean sa mga gilid-gilid. Hoy! May pinasukan akong sulok, biglang ang laki pala nito. I know you like. Not for me, I know you like something. I can see her eyes. Shana? Nag-iikot kami sa palengke. Namamalengke ako. Naghahanap ako ng t-shirt for me. Hoy, ang laki pa pala dito sa loob. Sean, pakitabi mga binabili natin. Sean, show. Show the shopper. Yeah. Sean, the market is big, no? I thought it's only small. Mukhang manika naman to. Yeah. Parang ang sarap mamili. Hala. Nakakatawa naman. Sean, where? Meron ako nito, kabibili ko lang. Patingin daw ako nito. Nag-iikot lang kami, everybody. So, watch nyo lang to. Nire-record ko kasi alam nyo, if I watch this, when I start editing this, then I will see the things that I need to buy next time. You found na?
yeah this one is good
Good on.
rather shop and your this one na
Checking na siya, slowly. Yung looban, ito yung bilihan siguro ng mga babae. Kasi yung nakikita ko puro ano siya, mga pang babaeng gamit siya. Mga pang family. There siya, no?
go na
Excuse me. Kaya naikot na namin. Nakaikot na kami. Because the right size, I can only buy in Dubai. Tambay lang kami dito, everybody, while we are resting. Kasi namili kami. Pagod ako. Mga alas 4, alas 3 pala, naglakad-lakad na kami. Mag-aalas 7 na. The kawa is kawaying na.
no plar rusta Deci că la gare wagas kana de hatna cha garala no plar aga botale de da gena
It's too much
Islamabad na हाँ for you my friend नहीं यार ये तो तकलीफ कर दिया यार बहुत ज्यादा तकलीफ कर दिया you look here look
Yeah, they always do this. You know what I told him? Let's not go because they will give us food. Let's go straight. But I'm shy. Nanghingi ng mangga. Hindi ka magugutom sa Pakistan.
हाँ
Hasis, kitne half kg.
For you? Yeah.
For you. For you. कितने
We
हफ्ते की?
are selling mango. This mango.
This is expensive.
4,000 per kg, but it will be cost for
200 grams like this.
no, 500 grams for you, only on 1,500.
Okay. Ang cute no? Randomly may nagkakabayo eh. Kasi uso po dito yung polo game, something Kemerut. Kamukha ni Papa Jesus oh. Hala. And for the dinner, everybody, bumili ako. Ito yung fried chicken nila dito. Pwede na yan. Basta pinride, fried chicken na yan. Laban na yan. Everybody, the shopping is finished.
Yeah.
Thank you all very much for watching this video.
Now start the eating.
Bumili kami ng manok, kakain na kami. So yun na yun. From Buni back to Chitral, thank you all very much for watching. Again, this is Kay Torero. Whatever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope that you're having a great day. And if not, always remember that tomorrow is another day. Bye from Chitral. Chower gusto.
Yeah.
Sarap siya.
Sarka.
Vinegar. Yak mo yun. Ay, pero yak mo.
Yeah. I don't think.
You're eating, huh? Wow.
Mashallah.
Mashallah.
Here.
No, I will eat more.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this part. Season or more or. Cover mo. The camera. Now it's finished.
Huh?
Now it's finished.
Yeah. Your food to model, no? Yeah.
Na spaghetti. Say Filipino is spaghetti.
Filipino spaghetti.
Yeah.
That's too much, right? I thinking about what? Yeah.
Too much.
Yeah. Now see, there's too much coming there.
Sana. Go inside.
I'm not. Go. Hair is coming on.
Sabi na. Alam niyo yung mga wishes na tinatawag natin sa Pinas, ang dami niya lumilipad siya. Oh, ayan oh. Oh. Pupunta sa kinakain namin.
And just like that, everybody, another simple day comes to an end. Having dinner with Sishan after spending the day exploring Chitral Market. Wala kaming malalaking itinerary, walang sobrang exciting na activities. Naglakad-lakad lang, nakipagkwentuhan sa mga locals at in-enjoy ang simpleng life dito sa Chitral. Alam nyo, minsan, akala ng mga tao na kapag travel vlogger ka, laging adventure at laging may ganap. Pero off-camera, sobrang simple lang ng buhay ko. Madalas masaya na ako sa mga pag-upo sa mga local restaurant at pakikipagkwentuhan sa mga taong nakikilala ko sa daan. At siguro isa yon sa mga dahilan kung bakit mahal ko ang pagta-travel. Hindi lang dahil sa mga lugar na napupuntahan ko, kundi dahil sa mga simpleng moments na hindi laging nakikita sa camera. Mga tahimik na gabi, mababait na tao, at mga kwentong dala-dala ko habang nagpapatuloy sa biyahe. Thank you for joining us today. I hope na sa simpleng vlog na to, may napulot kayong inspirasyon at na-enjoy ninyo ang pag-explore namin. See you on the next one, everybody. Again, this is Kay Toretto. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope that you're having a great day. And if not, always remember that tomorrow is another day.